Hello guys, my name is Sorin Constantin and I welcome you to the Affiliate Marketing Hacking, the 5 Steps Fast Track Method course. I am very glad to be here with you guys. You will see we will learn a lot of interesting stuff here in this course, and if you haven't already made your first money online, I am sure that after taking this course and applying the things that you will learn here, you will be able to do that in a very short period of time. And if you already are into any type of online businesses, or if you have already built any type of online income, this can be an added value to your already built income streams, and you can practically by applying the things that you will learn in this course, build a new income stream for yourself. Now let's go into a short introduction of the course so you will know exactly what we will be talking about. So everything that we will be talking about is related to affiliate marketing. So I wanted to start from the beginning, so for everyone that takes this course to understand what exactly affiliate marketing is. So this is what we will talk about in the first slide. So we have, what is affiliate marketing more exactly? Well, actually, it's a way for a company to sell its products by signing up individuals or companies that are called affiliates who market the company's products for a certain commission. This is the definition that entrepreneur.com practically gave in a more official matter. But with other words, practically affiliate marketing, it's when you promote somebody else's product or service, and if you make a sale from your promotion, then you will get a commission for that sale. It's very plain and simple. It works very well, especially online. Okay, it's a performance-based form of marketing, so everybody earns money only if a sale is made. And in my opinion, every type of performance-based form of marketing is practically the best form of marketing that you have, because you only pay. For example, if you are in the position of the vendor or of the producer that sells that product, you only pay if you get results. On the other hand, it incentivizes people and motivates people. Affiliates, which can be persons or different companies, it incentivizes them and motivates them to actually have performance, to actually sell something. Okay, not just do marketing for the sake of doing marketing, but doing marketing that works. Okay, that converts people from maybe potential buyers into actual buyers. So this is how actually performance based marketing works. And you will see that in the next couple of years this will happen more and more often in the economy. Even salaries from normal jobs worldwide are starting to get paid based on different types of performance and different types of evaluation. Okay, because we are now living in an economy that it's oriented towards results. Results means performance. That is why all these types of marketing methods have appeared and have emerged and are evolving very fast. Now, which are the main forms of affiliate marketing? Because there are different types of affiliate marketing. You can earn in different ways, and let's go a little bit deeper in the information and find out more about these forms of affiliate marketing from which we can actually earn money. First of all, we have PPA or CPA offers. That translates into cost per action or pay per action. It depends from from which point of view you are looking, the vendor or the affiliate. So practically in this type of affiliate offers, the affiliate earns money for a specific action. If someone who markets to takes, like, subscribing to an email list, for example, that is a pay per lead. Okay, so practically the affiliate promotes to a certain specific of traffic that he has, a certain offer, and some visitors from that traffic go and opt in into a lead form of the vendor. Okay, for each people that will subscribe, the affiliate gets a commission. That is how CPA offers work. Then we have PPS offers, which is the most common, or pay per sale. Okay, the affiliate earns money on every sale he makes. Practically we have two options here. There are vendors who are going for fixed commissions. That means that for any type of sale, it doesn't matter how large, how small, how they pay the fixed commission. Okay, a certain amount of money that it's fixed. And we have then the procentual commission, And in my opinion, this is the purest form of affiliate marketing, when you get paid a certain percentage from everything that you sell. For example, if you are promoting maybe a pet shop, okay, and that pet shop sells dog food, if you sell one bag of dog food, you get 10% of that sale. If you send a ton, which means maybe, I don't know, $100,000 from in sales, you get 10% from that. That means $10,000. Okay, Procentual is the best in my opinion, and it's the purest form of affiliate marketing and performance-based marketing. Now you also have PPC, or pay-per-click. The affiliate earns money for every unique click he delivers to an offer or website. In my opinion, this is interpretable if this is a form of affiliate marketing or not, because in this way you can consider also Google AdSense a form of affiliate marketing, which kind of is, but okay, let's just say that this is interpretable, but this is a way that you can earn money too. So for example, you have a blog, a website, it gets like 1,000 visitors per day. You can put up banners on the website, and for every click that somebody gives to one of your banners, you will get a specific amount, maybe, I don't know, 5 cents or something like that. Okay, so this is a way of making money from affiliate marketing too. Then we have the multi-level affiliate commissions. Practically an affiliate gets paid also for a certain number of levels of recommendation below him, similar to multi-level marketing companies. For example, you sell a product to somebody, that person recommends it further on, you will get that sale for the indirect person that buys the product too. Okay, you will get a commission for that person too. That is practically some kind of multi-level affiliate commissions. It's not so often met right now, but it will evolve a lot in the future too, because it's very similar to multi-level marketing companies, if you guys know exactly how those works. Then we have the recurring affiliate programs, which also I am a big fan of, because that means an affiliate earns money every time a client he brought to a certain company is buying something from that company. For example, if you are promoting affiliate services like memberships to a certain website, you will get paid every single month in which that person pays his subscription to that website, that membership. For example, if you promote a membership to a website that it's $15 every month, and that guy pays $15 every month, and you have a commission of 30%, you will get every single month 30% of that membership, which is actually cool because you can build a residual income. So these are the main forms of affiliate marketing from a financial standpoint, or how you can earn money. Then there are other forms of classification for affiliate marketing. You can have a look on the slide right now. There are different types of affiliate marketing in the types of what you are selling. Okay, in words of what you are selling. For example, you can sell physical products, and the commissions average somewhere between 5 and 7%. You can sell digital products, and the commissions average somewhere at 50%. Or you can be selling different types of services or other offers online. I have experience with both physical products and digital products, and of course, from a commission and financial standpoint, as how much you can earn and how much you have to sell to earn, obviously digital products are the better choice, no matter the context. Okay, because I have a lot of experience also with selling physical products, and I've seen what it means to have a lot of sales and not earning as much as you would like. But selling digital products can be very, very profitable, and you will see that further on in this course. Now, here are some affiliate marketing statistics that I wanted you guys to see before diving in deeper in the course and in the actual information and tactics that you will learn in this course. So let's have a look at the top industries that affiliates worldwide are promoting right now. On the first spot, we have computers and electronics, approximately 40%. You know that eBay is selling a lot, Amazon is selling a lot. So with that being said, I think we have that subject covered. Then we have clothing and apparel. Okay, a lot of people start to buy more and more online in this niche in the last couple of years. We have the internet services, which was which doesn't surprise me in any way, and I think it doesn't surprise you too, because what better way to sell internet services than on the internet? Okay, this you should keep this niche in mind, because we will talk about this a little bit. Then we have the health and wellness niche, which is actually a very, very big niche, and I think you probably know that already. We have then the business niche and the marketing niche. And the marketing niche, we will talk about that too, and it's kind of in our direct interest to talk about it, and you will see why further on in the course. So these are the top niches that affiliates are promoting and are making money from. Now let's have a look at the top countries in which affiliates are promoting, to the top markets that affiliates are promoting nowadays all over the world. So we have on the first spot United States, almost 70%. On the second spot we have Europe, okay, like about 15%, and then we have North America overall with 6%. So these are your top markets if you want to promote something. So now let's have a look at the top affiliate networks for digital products, because as I've told you before, we'll talk a little bit more in this course about affiliate regarding digital products, and you will see why. So here are some statistics that absolutely blew my mind when I saw them first time, and I'm sure that it will also amaze you. So these are the top affiliate networks for digital products all around the world. We have on the first spot ClickBank. ClickBank has already over 200 million customers worldwide and over $3 billion in sales. I mean, that is absolutely huge. Think about it. Most of these products didn't cost anything for that vendor to produce. Okay, they are virtual products, informational products. Maybe they are ebooks, courses, music, softwares, and other stuff like that. Okay, they have been sold in more than 3 billion just through ClickBank till now. Then we have jointventurezoo.com. jointventurezoo.com has over $170 million paid in affiliate commissions. Okay, and their earn per click goes up to over $10 for some of their launches and their software. So jointventurezoo.com, you should keep that name in mind, that website in mind, because you will see we will use this website in our tactics. Practically it's the largest marketplace for internet marketing software launches, okay, for software that are launching online and that are in the internet marketing niche or in the marketing niche. So here you can find the best offers. Then we have DG Results, that is pretty similar with Joint Venture Zoo. Warrior Plus, which also it's kind of like Joint Venture Zoo, but it has a little bit less offers. Deal Guardian, also the same like Joint Venture Zoo. Okay, so Joint Venture Zoo, DG Results, Warrior Plus, and Deal Guardian are a lot more focused on the internet marketing niche. ClickBank, it's like an overall marketplace, a general marketplace for digital products, but it's still the largest in the world. So just having a look at these statistics right now, I know that you are amazed. I was too when I first saw this, because it shows clearly the potential of this market. So it's a pity not to have a small part as an affiliate from this market. Now, the best other statistics that you should know about, because it's very important to have a clearer vision of what affiliate marketing in the digital products area means. Here we have a couple of statistics that when I've seen first time, I was amazed. We have the best sold product on ClickBank. It's in the fitness niche and gets more than $20 million in sales every year, and at least 50% of that goes to affiliate commission. So they are practically, this is like a course, okay, course on fitness and how to get fit. And this digital product, it's sold in more than $20 million. This is absolutely amazing, and at least 50% of that goes to the affiliates that sell that product. Then we have the best sold product on jointventurezoo.com. The biggest launch got more than 94,000 sales. That is more than $3 million in sales. That is amazing, because that practically happened in a matter of a couple of weeks. Okay, so because most of the launches on Joint Venture Zoo are lasting somewhere between 3 days and 1 week. So that happened maybe let's say in 1 week, 2 weeks or something like that, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, and then the fact that I think interests us the most is that ClickBank, which is the largest digital marketplace, has made over 1,000 millionaires till now, both in the affiliate part and in the vendor part alike. So this is good. These are very good numbers for us, very good statistics, and I know it gives us a very optimistic view of what we can achieve with this, because there are money to be made here and there is a lot of potential, and it's exactly as I've said before, it's a pity not to take a part from this market. Now I thank you guys very much for your attention, and I know that that you understand much better right now what affiliate marketing means and what affiliate marketing in the digital marketplace means, and I will see you guys in the next lecture with more information. Bye bye for now. Sorin Constantin here.